Well, Kelsey, one of the things that I actually liked about what you've been working on is how you're applying it to your classroom right now. And so it just shows that you're using what you're learning in real life situations and you're able to see what you're learning in practice. I like the visual representation of themes and retelling a story. I think students do have trouble retelling a story, remembering key points that happened in the story. So retelling can help with student comprehension. And so using those stars or using visual shapes and then putting them into thought boxes, I think for younger students, that really helps them to process from first, second, what was next, instead of just using text with lines saying fill this in. So it helps the students move from one to the next. So I really like that. I didn't play with Google Drawing, but I can go in there and look at that.
Thank you. I really like your playlist that you have set up. That's something that I feel like would be so helpful to do, especially being at the end of the IDET program, to actually go through and put all the videos together, whether it's the videos that you're creating. And I was looking through your playlist and I saw that there are some that you created and some that were just like some other really helpful videos. So I think that that was really good to incorporate that into its own playlist. So that way you can refer back to that at any point or just add that in as needed. So it's just a really good thing to have as a reference. I also really liked the way that you had your Google Sites organized. I felt like it was really easy to follow. And it gave me some really good ideas on what I can do with my classroom page just to make it a little bit easier for my students to navigate through everything. I really liked that.
So Kelsey, I really liked what you used with what you did with Google Drawings. I loved how you had like the 4 different sections and how it formatted, how students should create a story, and visually it looked really nice and really easy to follow, especially for first graders, because I think that was the level that you work with.
Sorry, my Wi-Fi is messing up. So I was just gonna say, Cassidy, I really like the Google Classroom you created and applying it to your youth ministry, getting the people at church to go online with the lessons and just having information available to them. So that was something I actually really liked about what you worked on.